Greetings, greetings, greetings in the mighty name of the Almighty. What a mighty God we serve. You understand? Very, very mighty God we serve. And we have to give thanks and praise in our going out and in our coming in going to bed and waking up in the morning at any given time. Because what? Is a mighty God we serve. Speak my mind, people. I don't know what to do. Just continue to do the do. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you are watching this channel and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button now. Please remember to watch the ads. And as you hit the video, I am asking you please to hit the thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up, if I even that. Now cost you nothing. Remember the Young Entrepreneur College student, link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. Now cost you nothing again to give her a subscription. She are begging to help her to reach that 1,000 subscribers. So it can give her even some more courage to put out some more content. So you can watch. Also give her the 4,000 watch hours, which is very hard. Trust me, it's harder than even the 1,000 subscribers. Because people will subscribe to your channel and not watching your videos. So the 4,000 watch hour is even harder. But at least that will encourage any farmer, any YouTuber. It will encourage them when them see them reach 1,000 subscribers to put out content. Because them know the next step is to reach 4,000 watch hours. So just give her a subscription. Remember my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV, positivity, recreational channel, family oriented channel, outdoor cooking, indoor cooking, adventure to come. You know the 100, entertainment, a little entertainment here and there, drama, commentary and all. You don't know. And we have a open topic live that we operate on a Thursday night, start at 9:30. Sometime probably 10:30 based on the traffic on YouTube. But come back to me, some people. Oh, I remember, you asked for it, it's a festive season. The Cash App pin in the comment section, $ Life is a Mission TV. And if you don't have, you live into a country probably like Canada or some other countries where use Cash App or Dash App or Zelle or Pell, you can reach me at 876-221-9789 or 876-340-1701, and we can take it from there if you want to use the vintage system. Remember me have vintage. See the gray here them? On a nature, a age. Alright? See them there? On a nature, a age. So you can contact me this and we'll talk from there. Anyway, my people. You see, I want to understand this. That when you're serious. And it's serious in a sense that we have to try to know ourselves before we fall ourselves. Because you see, if you don't try to know yourself before you fall yourself, you see when you fall, you have nobody to be blamed. And like in a social media, enough people are going to sit down and talk and say this and say that when you fall. And I realize that you fall yourself. Because as I say, we have a mighty God that we serve. And you know like ugly. You are going for years and centuries with your foolishness. But you see when a year time, remember you could have laugh all you want, laugh and enjoy and jeer. And when people said this, them are going to do this and them are going to do that, you get up and you say, Lord, how them can't do this yet, how them. No worry. No worry. Time is the master. Nothing to beat this. Time. And, I see it all over in the social media, so it kind of come to my attention. This is not something I really want to talk about. So I not going to do much talking. I tell you the honest truth. I just intro the video, but I come across a video where I say 13 do. And probably 13, I've said it all. So I'm going to play a 13 video. And then if I dissect something in between, it may do it. But majority of the video are going to be where 13 attack. Because 13 actually have said it all. Me that probably add my little 2 cent and my little 3 cent and my little drama tweet. You understand? And a little bit more tweet. But 13 actually say everything we probably would have want to say. So it is like a time of 13 give me tonight. Away from just introing the video. But Larry the Lizard, you're gallant and you're gallant for all these years with your cronies. And now that you fall apart, your campus fall apart, and people gone them separate ways, there's a lot of things has been said and are being saying. And I get to understand that there's a video done by Angela Chuckface 1000 about your grandson. People wanna know my stance on them something there. Pitney, especially underage. If an adult pitney, well, although the adult might not do nothing the same way, but say an adult. But kids, who is kids, underage kids, violence and sickness, you are tell a man about him sickness to leave out of social media, cascas and difference on have with one another. You understand? But in a case where you know you're sick and you come out and cuss people about feed them sickness or cuss people about other fault with them have, don't sit down and expect people not going to come at you with your sickness. Alright? And in this case, Lorraine has orchestrated and organized a platform where they said it. They sit down nights on top of nights, day on top of day, and rehearse what they're going to come with on the platform at a timely basis. And in doing so, when them are doing it, them not consider or think about the consequence of what they're going to do, the consequence what they're going to have, and you know, the what they call it now, the feedback and the whole thing about what them are going to say are going to have upon the person what them are going to talk about. I can remember Larry the Lizard have a woman where she entertained on her platform named Bulldog. Come out and she say a lot about Joshy, which is 99 son. And Larry the Lizard sit on her platform and enjoy it like she's into the movie. Having popcorn and a soda. And she giggle and she giggle. Them come out and them say things about Chocolate Daughter on the same platform, you know, when the whole of them congregate, you know, and everybody smile and laugh. Both supporters of the platform, everybody enjoy it because they watch a movie. You understand? Them come out and them talk whole heap of things about even other people, even me. Then come out and them propaganda about my mother, crutch and storm. You understand? And you know, there is so many more me can talk about. And when we see the turnaround now in social media where them platform is concerned, where E, she and D and B gone them separate ways. And I have heard that, as me say, Angela Chuckface cartoon have done a live. Me just go search the live, and honestly me go like both. Me even listen from, me start listening to say for the live that me hear say everybody has say about Ray. And when I start listening it, I kind of skip down to find out if I really eat. And when I reach about 13 minutes or about 12 minutes and something going up to 13 minutes, I realize that this is the live where everybody are talk about. So I listen about, I did I listen. And when I reach about, as I said, 12 to about 13 minutes, somebody so I start listening because I stroll down. And I couldn't listen no further. I listen up to about a minute and a half in it. So I reached about 15 minutes. And honestly, it was a very distasteful live. A very disrespectful and degrading and disgraceful life. But guess what, me know, my people? You see the same knife as stick sheep, it stick goat. And this was a woman when it over the platform and do all these things when them sit down and laugh, plan up and them reverse and them pass on the button over say this and everybody happy, merry and laugh. So now that the knife I go stick somebody else, as me say the same knife as stick goat, it stick sheep. So now that the turnaround come where this woman I got deal with this little baby boy in the manner how she had deal with him, like, you know, when this are like back in, this, remember this back in the days, like probably in the early 80s coming up to the 90s, when as a woman knows that she have people where with a uncle, brother or man or whatever, we have people, yeah, the simplest thing them rail up and flare up on you. And if you even say to them, so where that for? Come near me, come. And them talk where if you come do when them just left Jubilee Hospital and give birth. And them tell you if you come do it, them if you do entire them sister come from Red Hills, and them tell you all kind of things. This is all this life remind me of. And if you know, say this is not an adult she deal with, it's a little kid. I don't know how old the child is, but the child is very young. I don't think that child past 6 or 7 years old yet. And the things that what she is telling this child about to come do, I know she are doing it just to hurt the adult, which is Larry the Lizard. But this child is a very innocent child. So would I say, boy, okay, she should not do this and she should not, that not sound good and she have picnic too. But remember now, these are people who congregate and do them things and do other people. Not to mention, they also said things about her daughter and she. So, if he come back with me and say, the same knife as stick sheep, stick goat. Well, on social media too, when me see them say this was the most disgraceful and distasteful, you know, live them ever see, our video them ever see on a platform where kids are concerned. But me I gotta tell them my honest opinion. I'm sorry for the kid. If you know the kid find them himself. Now find them, put the kid in this, that circle there. But who to be blamed? As we 13 said, who to be blamed? You can't blame cartoon. You have to blame the grandmama. See him like, oh, she did put up people for slash and blash Joshy and talk all the things them about the woman's son. See him knife. The same way how she come and talk about even this woman, this chalk face one here, come I not pick up for them, I just they have to say what me have to say. It's the same for the same. You understand? So me not pick up for none of them. I only sorry for the kids that end up in the middle of this. We don't know nothing where are going, and probably it will take them years to know where are going. I only sorry for that. But me not sorry for nothing where I say over here so, or we I say over there so, or we I say this so. Because the whole of them did in a one basket so. I do the same thing to other people, picnic. And other people where them are adult, them say all kind of things where them don't know about them. You understand? So people, they go play the live and make you have an understanding of what 13 I say. Because me say she have said actually everything I would want to say.
I don't listen to it. But I heard that cartoon was saying that Lorraine grandson must come to what and what and what and what. And let me tell you something, people. It's two things I do my life in the dark. I have my kids, and I see what social media can do. One of my child name is well popular on social media, and because it's people who mention my kids' name, and let me tell you something. Knowing me,
one done ago,
when it touch for me picnic them,
one
me
nyam
we got
bad.
nyam prison food like me a cannibal. Without
Review
no apology.
a release tomorrow.
Because me, we got nyam, so
Midday
I
tomorrow, and see the
avoid
review
it
on
on
the
my
backup
job.
channel. Go over there, go
That's
check
the
it.
most two thing that I do live in the dark. Nothing, me not shame for sure the ugly face.
Big up yourself, my supporter from England. You know yourself. One done ago, triple blend. See it there? As me say, review out tomorrow. I just want to clear my friend, me give the triple blend though, because we're not strengthening a boy back or strengthening a boy now. But my little brethren, you know, well, them amongst me from the channel now go on nothing, me give him a little taste, make him taste it, you know? Yeah man, a young boy too, you know, so I don't really know the taste of them sitting here, you know, and the benefit from it, you know? But you don't know, as me say, tomorrow when I get the review up on the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. So you see it there? You want to see me a skin it every slice, thin slice, me cut it in a 4, do the review, you know. I must say 2 slice, me cut off of your sorrel, and 2 slice off of the coconut. And when me done slice up that and do the review, people want all more. Me sound mad. Or if you got done, me good supporter record, money send come give me and buy cake. Because I know me never did go out done until probably about 2 weeks time. And I just say, alright, the best time to do the review now, just cut 2 little slice side and see them come me heat out tight and see them come heat out tight since night again. Anyway, back to the action.
Speaking of my house already, my house pick and span and comfortable for me. Good morning. So, when I heard that part, that what cartoon said about the grandson, when I look on it, all because of carelessness, nastiness, bad, and then this is not even Lorraine's son. It's Lorraine's grandson. And I said, I feel sorry for that child. But who put that child out there? The grandmother used her platform, and let Bulldog call on her platform the first time. Come tell you, I walk with my memory. There are things that I will never forget on social media. Her platform and let Bulldog the first time Chris have went to Jamaica to visit at Mountain View. Chris is going down there to do whatever to Joshy. Lorraine, did you stop her? You laugh. Oh yes. Did you stop her? You laugh.
You enjoy every bit of it. Every bit you enjoy, Lorraine. Larry the Lizard.
No.
Wheel
You
turn.
sit down and that poor child, because of what you do, all because you had made a call, Lorraine, all of this. You have made a call to Donna, want to build a house for your family. And Donna told you, no. Donna did said the morning she did not call your name. Nobody we have never known about you said that people call her early in the morning, waking her out of her bed. Say, them a call her a long time and she not take her phone. Them want to call her long. No, why not go like me out here, no? Them want to call her and she not take her phone. And when she said, no, she not bill, that's when you turn the woman enemy. If you feel like she is scamming,
the woman no bill, no fuck,
when
no house.
you can report her to the relevant authority and keep it going. When you're interested who want there with her, let me Ashanti life. threaten Ashanti or disrespect and what's going, I think it had contact Matlock too. I'm not sure about the contact.
And you see it, people? No, you know, pressure something with bus pipe. And all they see Lorena going like she has solid PVC pipe. She coming like them all long time days cast pipe where you have where you change out now. Where corrugated and rotten out because two them was all cast pipe. Them develop this whole heap of chlorine and all them something that damage the pipe them over a period of time. So them rotten. So most time we don't have all water pressure low in the yard and them pipe they don't need to dig out. The whole time cast pipe them and put in PVC. So Lorraine, pressure up bus all them modern days PVC pipe here. So just judge you the old time cast pipe them. So all you go on and go on the phone and laugh but oh you got buy one of them a 7 free lawyer. Oh doctor love a free okay, yeah, everything when I talk about soup. You don't worry. It's on the hope when the soup come at you. You're ready feet and you prepare feet. I wanna feel like the same day leaf drop in a water it's rotten. I know the same day leaf drop in a water it's rotten.
But me show is right and live. That number, one of those number where cartoon show with our profile picture on it. So let me ask you something.
People are threatening people now in our life. After them do so much in our phone, you know.
You, Lorraine,
it alleged that them have people that go around and threatening people.
We know
pressure reach, you know.
You'd have to run it from Jamaica with what happened to you in your past. And you say, oh, Dana did set up people to harm you. Your cartoon come back with it here now, so should I get up, should we get up and make live about it? Because at the end of the day, and I'm going to say this openly, I always say I wish no one harm. I only if one person, let me say this openly, one of them did say them I go put my picture over TikTok saying T4 and then I go pay 100 US, and that time I said 4th Augustus, here I come. And Tina, Chin, will I drop down? Come here, wish nobody no do her harm. And then tomorrow morning, I hold up my head and say, thank you, Jesus. As there is a God over my head. I ain't gonna tell no lie. Me a big woman, nobody can beat me. That's how me feel.
Nothing wrong with that. You must know why you said that.
No,
so nothing wrong with
we
that.
should campaign on it.
You must know what she do you
day,
make you say that.
I don't want no friend from her, I don't want no pity from her, I don't want nothing from her. We will stay the same way, cartoon. Angela, we will stay the same way. At the end of the day,
cartoon chalk face.
I wouldn't want nothing, and I'm saying this openly. You hear me just a while ago say, I would not want no harm come to her. And I feel it as, let me tell you something. I feel it for the child. You know why I feel it for that child? It's not Lorraine's child. It's Lorraine's grandson, the little boy. And Lorraine's daughter is not into no bangarang and social media, so she promote her food or this or that, and to no say because
but that is the thing. That is the thing here, you know. Chocolate daughter ain't no bangarang in her phone. Josh ain't no bangarang in her phone. 99 people them a foreign in no bangarang a phone in her phone. My mother ain't no bangarang in her phone. And all the rest of people them where these people come out against. Remember now, you know, they come out against people where don't even trouble them, you know. Alright, so be the case. These people are people in a phone, platform holders. You understand? Name the whole away, down the line, so be the case. But when you come out against the people, them relative and kids when are in a phone, I just the same for the same. You understand? So she helped to drag other people in a phone when involved in a phone with fear set of people, them and people pitney. So it's just the same thing I reach her so back 13. You understand? So me would even use that and pity the thing. Me just pity the child himself, not because his mother no in a phone. Me just pity the child himself because the child is a child. Probably if I did the child mother who is an adult, me wouldn't say nothing. Because she an adult. But this is a child. And a child must stay out. Just like I say a child must be a child and a child must know a child's space. An adult must also know the child's space. Because if you as the adult don't make the child know him space, what you think is going to happen? He might feel like all space is for him.
Lorraine, carelessness and nastiness. And you know what's gonna happen? She gonna gather Michelle, gather Carl and Carly, but at the end of the day, that child has to live for tomorrow. That child has to live for tomorrow. And I am not blaming Cartoon in this.
You're not blaming her neither.
I am blaming Lorraine.
In a one hand.
I am blaming Lorraine.
Doing the same thing. Nothing different, the same thing. So
when you have decent, I don't know. This is why I am wondering, and I am not calling the husband name.
Yes, man.
For nothing.
God at work.
What is wrong with that man? Does this man know, say, a lawsuit is coming for Lorraine, him house is in him house, and because I said, let me tell you something. If Lorraine feels that she should not have anything, but you have to remember you are married to a man that has job, and if they are gonna go on Lorraine, you leave a friend, they are gonna go after his salary.
And not only his salary, you're half of the benefits. Because you're a married person. So you must feel like say, oh, me don't have nothing. You're sure shame. If you say you don't have nothing, and then the next thing you come and say you're alright in your life. But through you hear about lawsuit, you don't have nothing. Eh?
You are putting the man in problem. You're putting your family, you're putting your grandchild in problem. The child have to live for tomorrow, and I am not blaming Cartoon. I ain't blaming her, so who want vex? Me not blame her.
Me not blame her neither. Me not side with her.
Lorraine is the platform
you understand?
holder.
But we just not blame her in general.
Lorraine
not blame her in general.
Is the one that had Cartoon over there doing nastiness.
Right. And she
so now
and
it's
sweeter.
payback time for Lorraine. Lorraine
Yes.
is the one that said people had planned to take her life on social media, but here tell me here Lorraine threaten how much people by her. Well, if them take it serious, Lorraine that sure end up behind jail if I even for a couple of days. Well, no. Where you Lorraine send Cartoon come cost me for? When me have in trouble, I tell you the truth on social media. Why you claim to say you are tell other people the truth? Look what you do with Speak Your Mind, mother. Lorraine, look what hey, Lorraine, let me tell you something, you know. Because everybody might think it's not all about Dana.
Who no know? Them fabricate stories, say my mother a store crutcher at England. Poor my mother. And when Lorraine got Sophia house, so all you new subscribers who don't know, when Lorraine got Sophia donkey house at England the last time and I eat at the food, Lord, you can't cook. Lord, me not lie, you rice shelly. The only thing I chew the pepper, me not too like pepper, but me not lie. Not true, you're my friend, your food nice, your food tastes good because you rice shelly, you're serious, so me cook rice shelly, you know. And then start by me and my mother. Say my mother at Crutcher, England. And my mother face there in a store all over in England. And people were there in England. For years, say them don't know of that in a no store when no, not my mother in general, you know. Personally, you know. In general, nobody them don't know where them picture paint up in a store where do them something there. And she they behind the phone, them are also have a video and somebody they behind the camera, and if I the same person where hold the camera they pan, yes, and she sell way around one road and the person call the road. So me I said this a person I want retired or too. So she grudge my mother to my mother one present one if so be the case. So she reach retirement age and for retire. Yes man. So who no know? It 13 I talk about.
Lorraine, look what you've done to chocolate and vanilla in the time when I want. You know the funny thing? Ain't nobody not terrible like me past social media. Enough time, nothing. It's when I know me I come out, come say, I hold it. I hold it. As terrible as I be, I hold it. I look and see chocolate. I tell you something, that's something I pain my heart for that girl then. When I look, the woman have one daughter, God bless her, with one daughter. And when God bless that lady with her one daughter, God bless her with a grandbaby. And when the child her daughter was, I think she said her daughter was in 20. The child was pregnant. Whether you know or you know not, Tough Crackers, Mike Chocolate's husband, is that little girl's father. You come out with the same bulldog. The same bulldog. And what did you say? I don't want to repeat it.
I don't know quality dog, you know. Cause all the mongrel miserable and run around and back off of people so. And she I don't know the bulldog that wasn't the good mongrel neither. Cause you have good mongrel when would I choose any time over any pedigree dog. So she was one of the mangy bulldog at the time. Just her run all over her create problem. You know them dogs that was bark for nothing at all? Yes.
What did you say about Chocolate's daughter when you're a mother of one daughter, Lorraine?
Who in a social media? No.
I hope
So
you take that live, that maybe it will be too painful because Cartoon said it's she and Bob tell you, and I personally don't watch anybody when me and them part company because it's best not to hear. Because if me never hear this, me could not talk on it. I hope you take time out, although the damage is already done. Social media have already run with it. I hope you take time out to sit down and reflect. My grandmother always tell me, there's a light.
Them not have no time for you that in a 13, me I tell you honestly, you know. Because just though you see them behaving on phone, even though that so much all us hang over them head with the roof out for tear down. And them still a behave like they have done nothing wrong. And they are this powerful person that not even lawsuit can reach them. So what kind of sit down them must sit down and reflect 13? Them have to just continue do what them a do what them a do until judgment day reach them. Then them realize now, say yes, but them time they it too late. Alright? Yeah, them time they too late. Them say it never too late for a shower rain, but them time they in this case, it a go too late for them.
The end of the tunnel. but it's always there a way to turn back. If you want to sit down, who are the owner for that platform? Because if you bring out a Carlene or you come out and call out cartoon, anti-cartoon, sister cartoon, brother cartoon, Mr. Cartoon,
Anti-Babisha.
the damage is already there for that grandchild. And Lorraine, you are the earth people kids. I don't know if you have said anything about mine, but I know for sure what you had said about Josh. You had let Bulldog came in and they said that rehearse behind closed door.
Like
So you
them are
must know
artists.
that was gonna talk about Josh.
Like them are going to perform
That
on
was gonna
stage about
talk
them
about
rehearse. Hey, people can't dever so.
Chocolate's daughter, Ashanti's son, all the people, kids that wanna come out and wanna hurt on social media. And you see at the end of the day, because I'm gonna tell you something, with all that will happen to everybody, kids, with all that will happen to everybody when your platform do to everybody, kids, and here, because of your foolishness and your carelessness and your obsession and your hate you have for one woman, it come right back down to this one. Because let me tell you something. As I tell you, and I am glad I don't hear it, I am very glad because I know myself and I am going through my time of mourning. I can get real emotional on certain things. Trust me, the big mouth on the ear, certain things may get real and I really don't want to hear it. But I heard that this is the worst child dragging on social media.
13. Take it as me tell you. Me listen about 2 minutes of it. Cause me a search the live catch me a hear this and me look for about 2 minutes from about 12.30 minutes in the live to about 15. And me have to stop. It not normal as me I say. It's come like that big man chuck face I deal with. But as me say, me not have nothing to say. I don't condoling. I'm not condoling what you do. But as me said, the same knife stick, sheep stick, goat. And it was the same slaughterhouse. The whole of them did their work. So them supposed to know say. The same knife with that man here. Take up. If you go do the goat, the what they saw. And the same one. That one they take up. If you do the sheep. And do the cow. And do the... You understand? So, same knife stick, goat stick, sheep. And as me say, the whole of them did in the one slaughterhouse. So make them do them one the way them do them one there. I don't condole the kids' business. I don't condole the violence part. And I don't condole sickness. But if you're sick and know you're sick and you curse somebody about for them sickness, you know, expect the people to curse you about your sickness. So I just saw it go.
Don't. Again, I feel sorry for the baby boy. Knowing that is not even your son. And I hope you take the time to sit down and reflect, saying, at one point I hear you had said that Donna turned social media against you. No, Donna did not. Because Donna had never tried to tell me nothing. We see what you're doing. We see what you're doing, Lorraine. And I have said my course, me say it in life, me tell you, Lorraine, leave this thing alone. You make your report, that's what you do. Move on, clean up your place, live your life, spend time with you and your husband. Your husband is a couple years older than you, spill about Bulldog over on your platform. And I don't know, but as I tell you, thank God for the mother. Let me tell you something. Me know them can't say so. Well, they know say me at the time Jones to the family. But Father God up above, thank God for the womb where me birthed from.
Anyway, Speak My Mind family, we come to the end of this video, you know. It was a very distasteful and disgraceful life that Chuck Face do on that little child, but as me say, same knife a stick, goat stick sheep. That's all me have to say. So just understand it and just know so that's how it go. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of the video. You know what to do. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Please remember to watch the ads. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to watch the ads and hit the thumbs up as you hit the video. Please remember the Young Entrepreneur College student. Link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Please beg on get a subscription. It not cost you. And the Cash App pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. You know, you ask for it, you get it. You know what it is all about. For the new subscribers, them check 2 previous video and you will hear. And probably in the next video, I will repeat again. Alright? Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. It's not a nice thing, but this is how some people set, you know, them lifestyle, and you spread your bed, you go and lie in it, because you spread it. Alright, Lorian? Sorry for the kid, but that's how it goes. With it sorry for Joshy too. With it sorry for Chocolate Daughter too. You understand? Yes. Big up on yourself.